Paralegals, also known as legal assistants, are a distinguishable group of persons who assist attorneys in the delivery of legal services.
I do a lot of legal research and writing. I do predominantly legal writing. I do a lot of drafting of pleadings.
You're a lawyer? Hell no. I hate lawyers. I just work for them.
Yeah, I'm a paralegal. I can't give you legal advice. I can tell you that cases that we usually have, this is what we're looking for, this is what we like to see. However, you'll need to talk to the attorney. There are professional rules of conduct that attorneys have to adhere to. Paralegals have to adhere to the same thing. They're not necessarily written in stone rules, but anything that the attorney is subjected to, we are also.
Environmental law is a very broad and complex area of law. It consists of all laws that have been created to protect the environment and its resources. Environmental law is not new. The federal government began to regulate activities such as those involving pollution of navigable waterways in the late 1800s. However, in the last few decades, environmental law has expanded substantially as the government has attempted to control industrial waste and to protect dwindling natural resources and endangered species. Research to improve our nation's environmental law is ongoing, and laws are changing or being added on a daily basis. Therefore, whether working in a corporate setting, a governmental agency, or for nonprofit, environmental law commands knowledge of administrative law, common law, regulations, compliance, and enforcement issues.
Legal fields, and environmental paralegals' job differs depending on whom they work for. Environmental paralegals assist attorneys in two primary types of practice: regulatory compliance and litigation. Both practice areas require some of the same knowledge and skill, which relies on knowledge of federal, state, and local environmental regulations, as well as civil procedure, case law research, and general litigation. Environmental paralegals are generally responsible for several duties. An important task is monitoring the Federal Register and local environmental authority on a routine basis to determine if new regulations have been proposed. Paralegals will also research the scope and applicability of pertinent regulations to find out whether specific actions are in violation of a law. Further, it is important that paralegals coordinate their employers' environmental programs and policies and monitor activities to ensure proper compliance.